So, it takes a great display to make a brilliant smartphone. Google's most recent Pixel phones have been good in this regard, especially in realistic color reproduction. However, they've never quite matched the very best in some important areas such as peak brightness and dynamic refresh rates. Google has frequently used older generation panels, presumably to save some money, to position their offerings more aggressively. The downside is that its last flagship, the Pixel 7 Pro, while well calibrated, was just not bright enough in some scenarios. Thanks to a source inside Google, we've gained a lot of insight into the display specs and features of the upcoming Google Pixel 8 series, and a lot looks set to change. The discussion about the ideal phone size has persisted for a while and doesn't appear to be about to end. Whatever your thoughts on the matter, Google's Pixel series features two different display sizes, a smaller one on the non-Pro devices and a larger, curved one on the Pro variants. Although the phone's other specifications aren't exactly the same, it still gave users a choice. Google is changing the recipe a little bit with the Pixel 8 series. First off, the Pixel 8 Regular will have a smaller display than earlier iterations, measuring 6.17 inches as opposed to 6.3 inches. Additionally, Google enhanced the model's rounded corners by more than tripling each model's corner radius. In other words, the screens are slightly less square and have slightly rounder corners than they were previously. So, Google has traditionally used OLED panels for its Pixel smartphones, and this time is no exception. The source of the panels, however, might be altering. Samsung panels were used entirely in the last two Pixel models. In contrast, a mystery, unannounced smartphone with the codename G10 would have a BOE display. At least based on the values given in code, both phones' brightness has also been much enhanced. In HDR content, the Pixel 8 is rumored to be able to produce up to 1,400 nits of peak brightness, an increase from the Pixel 7's 1,000 nits. Additionally improved, the Pixel 8 Pro can now display up to 1,600 nits in HDR, an increase over the 1,000 nits of the Pixel 7 Pro. So, what do you guys think about all this? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.